In this video, we are going to create functionality to make the test story work. So click here and inspect. Realize that the test story has a class of test container. So copy this one from here. So inside your story.js, over here will be $document dot on. So this one be click. Then this one be dot again. Then paste it here. Remove this one from here. And also remove this one from here. Now function. So when the user click on this one, what are we supposed to do? Copy this one from here. Just paste it here. So when the user click on it, we'll hide the right part, we'll hide it. And also the story preview container, we'll remove it. And also the story wrapper to remove it. Then the story body to remove it. We don't need this one. Okay. So now let's go and refresh it. Empty the cache. So now click on it. Okay. So now this is what we have. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this one. So when the user is typing something over here, we need to display it here. So click here and inspect. Realize that the test area over here has an ID of test input. So copy this one from here. So this one be $document or then paste it here. .key app. Now function. Then this one be one parameter event. So this one be let test value to equal to dollar. Then this one be event dot target dot value then dot trim then semicolon. Then this one be let test element to equal to document dot query selector. Then this one be dot p dash ret dash test. Then here will be semicolon. Then we'll check and see whether the test value is not empty. So this one be if test value is not empty, meaning that it containing something, then over here copy this one from here. This one be dollar and paste it here. Dot css. So this one be color to be ampersand fff. Then here will be semicolon. Then also test element dot inner test to be test value. Else copy this one from here and paste it here. This one will be semicolon. Then over here will be RGBA 255, 255 comma 255 comma 0.5. Then this one be start typing. Then here will be semicolon. Okay. So now let's go and see whether our logic is working fine. Empty the cache. Click on it. So start entering something over here. Okay. So meaning our logic is working fine. So now the next thing I want us to do is work on this one. That's the next thing I want us to do. So click here and inspect. Click here and toggle to left. That's a class of pick font to copy this one from here. And over here will be $document dot on. Click, then comma, then this one be dot, then paste it here. Then comma again, then function. Then this one will be dot font underscore less dot toggle. Then here will be semicolon. Okay, so now click on it again. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to work on to end this session is this one. So when the user click on this one, I want us to change the background color of this one. So over here, we'll create a variable over here. To be let the first one be the font to be clean, then semicolon, and also let background to be http colon slash slash localhost slash Instagram slash public slash assets slash. So inside the assets we have the stories, then slash one. So this one be one dot jpg, then here will be semicolon. So now when the user click on this one, so click here and inspect. When the user click on this one, we'll get the image and display it here. So copy this one from here. So here will be dollar document dot on. This one be click, then this one be dot, then paste it here. Then our function again. Here will be copy this one, dot, then paste it here. Dot remove class. So this one be bg underscore active, then semicolon. Then this one be var bgg is equal to $this dot add class, So this one be bg underscore active dot find. So this one we find the image dot attributes, then SRC. This one be the background data or background image, which is this one. Then we will update it. So this one be background is equal to background image. Then over here will be p dash. Then over here will be css. The first one be background dash image. Then comma. Then this one be url single quote. Then this one be plus background image, which is this one. Then here will be semicolon. So when the user click on this one, first we remove the background active from here. Then this the current one but add class. So we add class to this one. Then find the image tag and the attributes. We will get the SRC, which is this one. Then we'll update this one over here and also change this one over here. Let's empty the cache and see. So now click on this one. So as you can see over here, the background color has changed. So as you can see over here, okay, okay. So in the next video, we are going to create functionality to create the test story.